Assalamu alaikum, this is Himu. May Allah peace, mercy and blessings be all upon you. Well, now I would like to talk about a story. The story name is A Thirsty Crow. Once upon a time, there was a crow who lived in a deep forest with his family. In the summer day, he felt very thirsty and he flew here and there in search of water. But he could not find water anywhere. But as he was flying over a park, so suddenly he saw a jar with little water in it. But the water of the jar was so low that its beak could not touch it. But as he was a clever crow, so he collected some pieces of stones and put them into the jar. The water of the jar came up and he drank the water and flew away. So everyone, by the story we can understand that where there is a will, there is a way. Thanks a bunch and be happy always.